Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. And welcome to Junk Journal January, day 23 for this 2026 first Junk Journal Challenge. So let's grab our junk journals and let's caffeinate while we create and dive into the prompt of layers for day 23. Can't believe we're already so far into the challenge. That's so crazy how time is flying by when you are having fun, I guess. So now I decided to use today's spread, this maps and coffee-dyed paper for the spread, but I first had to fix it a bit because in the creation process of this journal I did glue two spreads from the maps book together to sew them into the journal, and the part where I did glue that together did tear in the sewing process now that the spine and the sewing gets more worn out, so I just had to add a bit of tape here to fix that, and now I'm just adding some different book pages, and I thought maybe I add this little title thing from the fashion magazine I used yesterday, but then I did leave it at that, and now I'm just adding some washi tape and just going in with a bunch of different things to add some layers. With this spread I didn't have any idea I wanted to have as the outcome in a way, so I'm just adding layers as I go and see where this collagey messy style will take me. In the end I feel like it kind of shows that I had no plan what I was doing when creating this spread, but yeah, it's fine. I feel like I really have to work on being okay with a page not turning out the way I wanted it in a way, so it's fine that this page is a bit more messy and not so kind of thought through in a way. Here I just decided to add some tracing paper to add some scribbles and notes to the map in a way. Now I just use this analog film washi tape to glue the tracing paper onto the spread to add also there more layers, and just adding some random layers here and there today. I don't know. I really didn't had any concrete idea of what I was going for. I think I might wanted to do like one of those detective spreads with a bunch of different like cutouts and so on and so forth, but I don't know. It didn't really turn out the way I envisioned it, so I'm just adding some more bits and bobs here, and then I decided to add the quote of the devil is in the details to just give this mess a bit of an intention in a way, I guess. So you might notice I'm not quite happy with today's spread in a way, but it is what it is, and sometimes you just have to keep going to go on with the challenge, and hopefully tomorrow will be a more inspired day again. I really hope that. I hope you had fun with layers today in your junk journal, and let me know in the comments down below. I would absolutely love to hear what you came up with. You always have such amazing ideas for your spreads, and I can't wait to see all your beautiful creations. I hope you had fun spending some creative time with me anyways, even though I struggled a bit today, and I hope you had fun creating your spread as well. Thanks so much for watching. See you tomorrow, hopefully, and if you want to join me on this creative adventure and many more creative adventures to come, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join me on my creative journey. See you tomorrow. Until then, happy creating!